Let's see. Yeah, here he comes. I figured that. He's gonna be loud as hell now. Recycle gold plugs again. Here he comes. He's loud as hell as usual. I don't know, she's gonna start. It's gotta be awful loud up here, so I can't hear nothing. I don't think it's gonna start. Just about has started. Huh. Come on, baby. Got some gold plugs burnt out. Don't dare let off the throttle. Definitely a cold pig compared to that Dodge. See if I dare, well, I don't know if I dare let up on the gas. There she'll go now. My dad would have to make some noise, of course. I hope you guys could have heard it anyway. Not smoking bad. Starts worse than that Dodge, that's for sure. Runs good though. My dad sure likes this 610 Bobcat, that's for sure. The brown Ford, they just pulled the batteries out of it for the winter time. Yeah, there he is over there. He sure likes to fool around with that. I like my 610 Bobcat too. It's fun to drive. It is. It's very fun compared to that diesel in there. We don't like that one. It's too big and stuff. Runs good. Really shaking though. Look at that. It's shaking the whole cab. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Try starting it again and see if she starts. Oh, instantly. Once you get her started up and warm, she'll start right away. Alright guys, thanks for watching.